Happy Halloween! I'm Sage Grayson, your life coach, master motivator, and excuse killer. And this is Tiny Tip Thursday, because the best advice is short and sweet. Today, we're talking about one of the most common fears out there, the fear of missing out. Let's go. The fear of missing out also goes by the name FOMO. It's when you feel the need to stay connected to everything, or else you're somehow less than everyone else. Now, FOMO shows up in two ways: informational or material. Now, your fear could involve staying connected to news, gossip, and information. So you're constantly watching TV, on Facebook, or looking at your phone. Your fear could also involve material things such as a fancy car, trendy clothes, or expensive vacations. Now, no matter which fear of missing out you're experiencing, here are some easy ways for you to say no mo to your FOMO. If you're experiencing informational FOMO, practice mindfulness. So turn off your phone and step away from the computer and focus on the present moment. Taking a walk outside, breathing in fresh air can snap you out of your FOMO state and help you appreciate how precious life is right here, right now. If you are experiencing material FOMO, practice gratitude. So get out your journal and write 10 things that you are grateful for. These could be your home, or the food that you eat, or your family. When you focus on how abundant your life is, it'll turn down the intensity of your material desires. So the next time you are experiencing the fear of missing out, practice mindfulness and gratitude, and tell your FOMO to go. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please come on over to sagegrayson.com and get on the sweet list. It's my weekly easing with sage advice that I only share in email. See you next time. Remember, it's your life. Make it sweet.